What's up, good people? This is Anthony Deloach, and I'm back with another crypto investing review and tutorial. And today, guys, I'm bringing you a tutorial. Yep, the last video, I just showed you guys Sway Markets, the broker, right? And I told you guys that they had some incredible services on there. And I want to show you how to get enrolled, right? I want to make it easy for you. Now, before I jump right into it, I do want you to go ahead and like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that you can be notified every time that I drop a new crypto investing review or tutorial. All right, guys, you know you got to get in my group, right? I don't know why you're not in my group. I got a feeling you're not in my group right now, right? So I need you to go ahead when you finish watching this video to click on the link in the description of this video and join the Game Plan to 100 Grand Telegram group. That's where I put all the information first, guys. That's where you're going to get the information in real time, get all the information that you need. Right? So just click on that link and you'll be in the group. All right, guys, let's go ahead. Let's get into this. I'm going to show you guys how to enroll for the broker. Now, some of you all may not need this video, but some of you all do. So just pay attention. If it's not for you, just skip to the part that you need, right? Now, I want to go over this disclaimer because I don't want nobody coming for me, right? I don't like playing with them alphabet boys and all that stuff. So we're going to go over the risk warning. Leveraged products such as forex carry a high degree of risk and may not suit all traders. Before you begin trading, ensure you fully understand the risk involved in taking into account your investment objectives and level of experience, and if necessary, seek independent advice. This website is not directed at any jurisdiction and is not intended for any use that will be contrary to local law or regulation. All right. So that's the first thing we're going to get out of the way. All right. Now you're just going to go into the website and it's pretty normal, like any other broker thing. You're going to put in your name, your email address, that demographic information, your phone number, your password. You can put in your password again and make sure my partner code is down here, which is the 577-2881, right? Make sure the partner code is down here if you heard about this from me, right? So you just go ahead and do that, and then you're going to click on register. It's going to highlight, and then you'll be able to click on register. I am going to go ahead and do that now with a demo account, okay? So that you guys can see exactly how this works. So give me one moment while I actually get this set up. You know, I'll do it while I'm here. No, I hold on for 1 second. Let me put this information in. All right, so I got my information put in. Once you register, it's going to send you an email. You're going to have to check that email and click the link that's in the email. So let me go over here real quick, and I'm going to show you guys what the email looks like. Here it is right here. And this is the email. It's going to say welcome. It's a verify your email. So welcome to Sway Markets, all that stuff. And then you're going to have to click on the link that's in the email. So I click on the link that's in the email here, and it's going to say that your email has been successfully confirmed. You're going to click OK. Then what you're going to want to do is hit in here and start your KYC process, right? It says, let's get you verified. Before you start, prepare your identity document to make sure it's valid. We also require you to agree to the processing of your personal data. So you would say you're a resident or you live in where? I'm going to say the United States of America. By selecting agree and continue, I agree that I have read the privacy notice and I give my consent to the processing of my personal data, including biometrics, as described in this consent. So you go ahead, if you agree, you click on agree and you go there. Now you're going to choose your document type. Now I was pretty simple with mine and just use my driver's license. So you can use a driver's license as well, but if you have a state ID and you just want to use that, or a residence permit or a passport, you use the one that you want to use. Now you go ahead, and if you say that you're going to use your driver's license, it's going to walk you through the process of actually doing this, right? So you're going to have to take a picture of the front and the back of your document. Once you do the copy of the front and the back of your document, you can actually do this from, you can upload it from your computer, or you can do this from your phone. If you want to do it from your phone, you just hit click to continue, and then you'll be able to do this from your phone, and then you're going to hit next, and it's going to take you through all the processes, right? So once you go through all the process, you follow all the prompts. I'm not going to do all of this right now because of the fact that I already did this, right? So and it would be two accounts in the same name, all that type of stuff. So all you have to do is once you go through all the steps, it'll say that they received all your information. And then once they process your information, this will go from incomplete to the status of verified. Right. So you will have the status of verified once you have this done. Now, once you're in the back office, you got all of this completed. I'm going to show you how to set up the accounts and all of that type of stuff. So let me switch over to my other account, and so I can show you how to do that process. Okay. Give me just 1 second. All right, I'm into my other account now. Now, one thing I do want to let you guys know is that every time that you log in, it is going to send an email with a one-time password to your email, and you will have to enter that. That's another account security thing that they do, a two-factor thing. So you every time that you log in, you're going to have to get that from your email. So make sure you use an email that's like on your phone or easily available to you. Okay. All right. So now that we got that out of the way, once you all verified and ready to go, one of the things you want to do is to create your own account, right? And so let me just show you one of the ways that you create an account here. What you're going to do is you can create a real account, right? And the one I did was the ECN account here. So you can actually go in and create the ECN account. It's going to ask you the currency, USD, the leverage. The one that I chose was the 1 to 500 here, and I accepted the terms and conditions, and then I created the account. Now, that's pretty easy, right? Now, what you could do is do a deposit, right? If you want to go ahead and deposit. Now, I will let you know that they're going to send you an email with the MetaTrader 5 login and password, so you have that information. So you make sure you go to your email, keep that information, because that's how you're going to log in to your MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5. MetaTrader 5, right? So now you're going to do your deposit. So you deposit some funds in here. No need to have an account without any funds, right? So you have the choice of Bitcoin or USDT TRX, which is the TRC20, and then you just have Ethereum. Okay, so you choose the one that you want to use. I use Tether, right? I use the USDT TRX, which is the TRC20. Make sure you send the right one. Don't send BEP20. Don't send ERC20. None of that. USDT TRC20 is what you're going to send over here. Now you're going to decide the amount. The minimum amount is $10, right? And you can put up to whatever you want to in here, right? So once you decide that you want to do the USDT TRC20 or Bitcoin or Ethereum, whatever you decide that you want to do, you're going to go ahead and click confirm, right? So once you click confirm, you will see here that I have a wallet balance of $11. Of course, $11 is not going to do anything. I want to show you guys how to do it so that you can see how to actually do this. So you could go in and you could do account or you could do wallet. Right now, you could do your amount. Since I only have $11, that's not going to work. Let's say if you wanted to put $1,000 in here, right? So you're going to put $1,000 and then you do the currency USD, and then you can continue. Okay, so you're going to go ahead and hit continue, and then once you hit continue, it's going to say you will get 1,000 USDT. Right now, they have a third-party processor for crypto. I forgot it's bit something, right? So, but it'll show you in a second. So I'm going to hit confirm that I want to do the 1,000 USDT, right? Once I hit confirm, it's going to take me over to this section here and saying that this is it. Now it's going to say our payment provider is, I said bit something. It's not, it's B2B InPay. Okay. So this is what it is. So you're going to click the continue button to get your personal Sway Markets wallet address, right? So you click continue. It's going to give you a wallet address and a QR code in which you can actually send the crypto over to. Now, when you send your crypto over here, let me tell you a couple things. So when you send the crypto using the B2B InPay wallet address that they give you, they're going to give you that wallet address, it's going to take like 50 confirmations. And that's pretty quick with USDT TRC20. 50 confirmations. So give it a little bit of time. You'll be able to see the status as it shows you the confirmations that happen. So once you send it, it'll show you the confirmation. Now, once all the confirmations are done and it successfully recognized your transaction and accepted your transaction, then it's going to be you're going to see a ID verification. Now, I want you guys to understand that when it says the ID verification next to your transaction and it's not shown in your wallet, It's not that they're verifying your ID. As long as you already got the green verified here, what they're doing is they're verifying the transaction first, right? So they're going to verify the transaction. It may take a little while if you're doing this late at night. If you're doing it during normal business hours, it's probably going to be a lot quicker. I did it one night, and it was done by in the morning. They had went in and verified my transaction, and it showed in my wallet balance. Okay. So once you do that, that's going to be the way that you're going to make that happen. Okay. So that's pretty easy, pretty simple, pretty straightforward on how you do that. Now, once you guys get in, you get your deposit done. What you're going to want to do is to go in over here to invest rating if you want to take advantage of one of the PAM copy trading services, right? So if you want to take advantage of this, you're going to go click on the invest rating. I'm going to wait for this to come up. I don't know if it's my internet connection or whatever, but this is going pretty slow. Hopefully it doesn't kick me out of the system here. So let's just give it a moment here. Let me refresh it. It may just need to be refreshed, right? So I'm going to give it a second to see if it comes up here. There you go. So that comes up. You're going to choose the one that you want to invest in. So let's say if you decide that you want to go with this one, let's say the IC Global Investments, just using this as an example, this one is 500. So you're going to go ahead, you're going to click invest. Now, what's great about this is the amount of your investment. The minimum is 500, as you see here, right? Now, it's showing I only have 11, but yours should say whatever you want to invest. So let's say if your 1,000 was in there, you would just go ahead and click 1,000, right? Then you would put in your take profit where you want to do. And let's say if you like, man, I put 1,000 in, I don't want to lose more than 700. I mean, I'm sorry, take profit is your profit. So let's say if you want to forex your account, right? So let's say we put, man, once it gets to 4,000, take me out. Or if you wanted to double the account, you put 2,000, right? So let's just put 2,000, and then the stop loss, right? So you say, well, look, I don't want to lose any more than 300 of my 1,000. You put 700 USD, so it'll take you out. Now, when it takes you out, when it's time to take you out, where do you want that to go? You're going to use one of that account that we created earlier, right? That account that I showed you guys how to create. You use that account, or if you want to have you can create multiple accounts. As you see, I have 2 in here. So you just create the account that you want to, you just choose the account that you want to use. Once you do that, you're just going to hit deposit here, and it's going to take you into this, right? Now, so once it takes you into this, you're going to be good to go, right? Now, and you'll be in the investment, and you'll be able to participate in the profits that are created through that copy trading, or whatever, you'll get the results of whatever trading that's done, right? Now, I do want to go over something really quick. If you guys like sway markets and you want to refer to some people in your organization or some people that you know and you just want to share it with other people, if you feel like you're going to do this a lot, then I would go ahead and apply for the partnership. And you just click on this partnership right here, and it'll have the application for partnership and stuff like that. And you just go ahead and apply for partnership, and then you'll be able to have your own link that you can share with people. Okay. All right, so one of the questions that a lot of people ask me is, where can I see what my investments are doing? What you could do is go down to investments. You open this up. I want y'all to see all my investments here, right? So, but if you click on this, it'll show you your investments, what you're invested in, and you'll show your profits and all that type of stuff, right? So you'll have that here if you want to do that. So that's how you actually go in and check that. But play around with it. Get familiar with this back office, because I think it's going to make us a lot of money. Hopefully it does that. Of course, there's no guarantees in life, and past performance does not equal future performance, but I think we have a great opportunity here, right? So hopefully this video has been very helpful. I know it went a little bit longer than I expected, but I think this is going to be good for us. As always, guys, we're going to play by our rules. We know our motto. We're going to invest wisely. We're going to invest well. We will only invest what we're willing to lose, but we're investing for the opportunity to win. Until the next video, I hope you guys have an absolutely phenomenal day, and I am out. Peace.